If you want to save phone numbers on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will give you a few methods on how to do that. For the first method, just open the Contacts app, then tap on the plus icon over here. Now from here, just enter the details of your contact, like the first name. You can also add the last name. And in this section, just enter the phone number of the contact, just like that. Now, after you enter the details, then tap on Done. And once you do that, you will save the selected contact. Now, this was the first method. The second method is that if you called someone or if someone called you and if you have not saved their number, you can save the number from the phone app. For that, just go to your home screen and open the phone app. Then go to the call section. And over here, you will find all your recent calls. Now just select the phone number which you want to save. Now for example, I will select this phone number, then tap on Edit. From here, just tap on Edit Contact Info. Now in the first name section, just enter the first name. And this time you do not have to enter the phone number as it is already added. But you can add all the other details of this contact. And after you have done that, then tap on Done to save the selected contact. Now the third method is if you want to save a contact or a number which you have received in a text message or if you have saved it in the Notes app. Now let's say if you have saved this phone number. Now if you want to save it from your Notes app, just open the Notes app. Now if you tap and hold on the phone number, this pop-up menu will appear. And in this pop-up menu, you will find the option of Add to Contacts. Just tap on it. And from here, just select Create New Contact. And from here, you will be able to save the phone number in your contacts list. For example, I will name it Zach. Then tap on Done. And by doing that, you will save the contacts in your Contacts app. Just like that. Now the last method is that you can share your contact wirelessly. For that, just go to Settings. And under Settings, just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on AirDrop. And from here, just make sure you enable bringing devices together. And after you enable this feature, now just make sure that this feature is also available in the other iPhone to which you are sharing contacts. And also just make sure that the other iPhone must be at least on iOS 17 or later, because this feature does not work on earlier iOS models. Now after you do that, you will be able to share the contact by just tapping both of these iPhones together. Now currently I do not have another iPhone, so I will just show you how you can use this feature. Just bring both of the iPhones just like that. Now by doing that, both of these iPhones will share their contact numbers with each other. The other iPhone will send its contact number to your iPhone, and your iPhone will send your contact number to the other iPhone. And this is how you can save phone numbers on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.